How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before we get this video going, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, please think about hitting that bell and the subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. Alright guys, with that being said, today's video will be mail call. And then it will be update on my Grumpy Toys Bill Jenkins Vega race team that I'm building. And so I haven't got just a whole lot done because I've had to strip the body a couple times on the Vega, or a couple bodies. Not I messed one up. I got like 5 of them, so then I'd open another one and start with that body, and I messed it up and on. So I just stripped a couple of them, and I'll have to run out of primer. I'll have to go get more primer and stuff where I can redo it. But I've gotten a little bit done, so I'll show you here in a minute what I've gotten done. But before I get started, alright, in the mail I got Cliff from GI Scale Mechanics. Got his new shop card right there. If y'all ain't subscribed to old Cliff, he does Monday night live streams. I haven't been able to get to a few of them, but you know, one of these days when I get some time, I'll get back on them with him and get in there. But here lately, you know, work schedule and stuff, it don't permit me to really get on there and be a part of it like I have been before. I wish I could, but you know, it just, life happens sometimes. But I'll start one of these days, get back on there and get to visiting with y'all on his live stream. He does some good live streams, and he's an excellent modeler and a good guy for the community. He lives up there in New York. My youngest son is back up in upstate New York, not too far from old Cliffy boy. One of these days when I get up there to visit again, I'll meet up with you, Cliff. I'd like to meet up with you once I get up there again. But if y'all ain't subscribed to him, there you go. Description will be below. And that's Cliff. And then too, another buddy of mine, old Tom, old Rambler 69. He's been sending out Christmas cards, him and his wife. And I got mine. I've had it for a couple of days. I just hadn't had time to, you know, get out and do a video to thank him. But here we go. There's the card. Look at that. That is fitting for old Tom. He built a car just like that. Beautiful, beautiful car. 32. It's it looks like a yellow or Inca gold. I know he likes that Inca gold color. Oh yeah. And I love the stockings on it. Old Santa Claus. Just an awesome scene. Look at that. Now old Tom, you know, he lives down there in Florida. I doubt he gets much of that snow, but that's awesome. I love the words in the back. Thank you, you and your wife. I appreciate it. Appreciate it very much. Boy, that's something that people just don't get very often anymore is Christmas cards. We appreciate it. Thank you, Tom. And he's a heck of a modeler. One hell of a modeler. I love all his builds. He's a old school hot rod guy. This guy, he built some good old school hot rods. And here's his shop card. So look at there. Y'all go subscribe to him if you ain't, which if you're watching this, you probably are. But to all the new people in the community, or new people, if you're not subscribed to old Tom, please get over there. Rambler 69. Get over there. It's Styrene Addict right there. Rambler 69. Old Tom. Description will be in the link below. Both these guys would enjoy it if you got over there and subscribed and everything. And two, I forgot, before I get on this update here, I was at the antique shop again. Y'all know it's an addiction for me. Every time I find one, I go through it. And I got a couple of cool little cars I want y'all to check out that I bought. And look at this. This is the neatest little thing. This is original issue. This is not a repop. This is the original issue. It's the 69 AMT Mini American Motors AMX 143 scale mini kit. Look at the box art on that. Right there, it's even got the AMT Corporation, 1225 East Maple Road, Troy, Michigan, 48084. Look at there. It even comes with a case. There's the box art there. The side box art. I had to have it. I had to buy it. Man, and here it is. It's been built, but it's never been painted. Still got the case. Look at that. It's molded in like a baby blue. Somebody put a decal on it. Never been painted. Everything's there. I can't go wrong with that. Matter of fact, let's pull it out of this neat little case. The grill's about to come out, but look at that. Neat little thing. I love it. You know, I love my Johan AMXs and my Johan kits. This is like a mini little Johan. It's AMT, but man, it's awesome. It is very awesome. So I had to buy it, and I think there was a couple more in that shop when I bought that. And you know what? I about made up my mind I might go back and get them. And then this was the same shop, the same. It was in a display case. And this was here too, and I bought this. This is a Survivor. Look at this. I don't need to do nothing to it. I'm not, you know, it's in such good shape. I'm not even going to tear it down and redo it. Look, it's got the screw-in bottoms. Of course, you know it's the older issues because it's curbside. 1961. I don't know if you can see that very good or not. Get this to focus on it. I don't know if it's going to focus for me or not. 1961. It looks like it was painted like a candy or metallic red lacquer. The interior is painted the same way. I think they painted the steering wheel black on it. Underneath has been painted black. Pretty cool. Didn't give nothing for it. Neither one of them really. This is why you look in those shops. This here is just going to go in one of them. I'm going to go put it in one of my display cabinets. Not even going to touch it. Hell, if I had the original box to it, I'd display it with the box. Maybe one of these days I'll just find a box for it. But that's awesome. That is awesome. That is why you always hit your antique shops. Flea markets, you never know what you're going to get. Like I said, you know, always look. I'm going to shut up, turn this around, and show you what I've gotten done on the Grumpy Toys Vega. Alright guys, as y'all know, this is the Vega that I'm going to be building. This is the Grumpy Toys Bill Jenkins 1972 Vega Pro Stock. But it won't look like this car right here. It's going to be his other version that was all red on the side with the white. Had different hood scoop on it. The bumpers weren't chrome, but that's the one I'm going to build. And so that's it. And then too, it's going to be the race team. So I know this ain't totally correct, but I'm using this as the hauler. So the 72 Chevy hauler will be for the race team. And the truck cab will look halfway correct, but the hauler bed part of it's not totally correct, and it'll be alright. This is what I've gotten done so far. I've got the engine pretty much completed. I got it wired. Got the big old four barrels with the tunnel ram. I got the headers on it. Got the Wix filter, the starter, That's really about all I got to say about that. You know, pretty much done there. It's got a magneto on it instead of a distributor. It's a little bit easier for me to mess with. I just didn't feel like messing with a distributor. And then two, the body, I painted it white and it turned out like crap. So I set it aside and I did another body. Well, as you can see, it's stripped now too. Actually, I did 3 bodies. The other one, I just, when I messed it up, I threw it back in the box and threw it in the closet. So it still needs to be stripped, but I don't care. I'll get to it eventually. So these 2 have been stripped. So now I got to take this Vega, sand it a little bit more, prime it, and I gotta go get some primer, and then start to repaint it again. Hopefully, knock on wood, it will work again. Or this time, not again. Alright, as you can see, this is the hood. Right here. It's got this hood scoop on it. There you go. You can see right there that it will be the hood scoop I will be running. You also, the kit comes with this hood and that hood scoop, which I will not be using. And the kit also comes with this little hood scoop right here to go on this, or this hood scoop right here that goes on top of that. Y'all know what kind of hood scoop that is to go on there. I'm not running either one of those. This is the hood I will be running. So you can see that. Another thing I've done to this thing is pull this grill out. I'll use this body to show you. This grill right here, it had a white insert piece back here. So I cut it out. And then you can see the grill. You can see right there. I sanded behind the grill. So, and I de-chromed it. And so that way you can see through it. So the bumper is painted white. But now I got to paint this part of the grill aluminum or kind of a metallic color. But there you can see, once I get it on here, how you can see if it'll come. There you go. You can see through it. So that's the effect I was wanting to go for. The back bumper, I painted white. I de-chromed it, painted it white. We're going to destruct this car here. I got the wheels painted. They just need a wash on them, and the center cap's painted, or the back center painted. Let's see. Let's pull this up. You can see some of the paint left over on it. I'll have to totally get off of it. It's got the Drag Master or Drag 500 Firestone wheels. You can see I got the wheels painted. I got them stripped. They were chrome. This is the underneath. I haven't done nothing to it yet. But let's pull this thing apart and show you what I've gotten going on here. Wheels just come off. Let me see. I have to do this off camera probably, guys. Alright. Pull this thing apart. Alright. I've got the seat belts done. Those seat belts are Edward. Let me pull some. I got more of them. Edward 6-point harnesses, which I only did the 4 points on this kit. Some other kits I might use the 6-point, but these are the Edward. These are how they come. Just like that. Comes with the instructions in there and everything. Those are some awesome seat belts. They're metal photo etched seat belts. So, you can see I got the wood grain steering wheel. That's what he had. Got the shifter. I got the dash. You can't see in there very good. I'm trying to get it to focus. I'm using my phone, guys. Got the dash all painted up. You can see I did the battery box or tray, whatever, hold down. I got it wired. The battery's over the back wheels. You can see where the fire extinguisher is. Got the seat belt's coming back over the top of the roll bar. I got the tack wired up. Probably can't see it. You can't see it. But I got the tack wired up. And that's all I've gotten done so far on that. Set that aside. The ramp bed is just in primer. And that's really about it. I think I painted the top part of the cab. Let me get that cab. I painted the top of the cab. Now I have to do a lot of masking. You can see where I de-chromed the chrome right there. It's de-chromed because I'm making this into a 6970 without the chrome on top. It's going to be red with the white top, and this will all be red. But it's coming along. I think I got the engine started on the truck here. You can see right there, I just got a little bit done. Not a lot. That's about it, guys. That's all I've gotten done. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.